After Kohberger's defense team tried to keep crucial DNA evidence out of the trial, the judge came back with a decision that would deeply impact this case. NBC's senior legal correspondent Laura Jarrett has more.
A major setback for Bryan Kohberger's defense. Multiple new rulings from the judge set to oversee this quadruple murder trial, knocking down all of the defense team's efforts to get key evidence tossed out.
This is State v. Kohberger.
Cell phone and email records, surveillance footage, even Kohberger's past Amazon purchases, potentially all now fair game for prosecutors. But most significant of all, the judge refusing to toss out DNA evidence linking Kohberger to the crime scene, including DNA investigators found on the button of a knife sheath left near the bodies of two victims, a statistical match to a swab taken from Kohberger's cheek during his arrest in 2022.
Our first point is it was an illegal search.
The judge appearing deeply skeptical of the defense team's arguments to exclude that DNA at a hearing last month.
When there's a DNA match between the DNA in the sheath and Mr. Kohberger, isn't that probable cause every day and twice on Sunday?
Now finding no constitutional violation from investigators initially running the DNA through public ancestry websites to build a list of possible suspects, explaining Kohberger exposed his DNA to the public by leaving it on the sheath, thus forfeiting any reasonable expectation of privacy in the DNA left behind. The judge similarly not persuaded that investigators couldn't sift through the trash outside his parents' home once they zeroed in on him, saying, by throwing away an item of trash containing his DNA, defendant cannot object to the testing of that DNA. These latest rulings a significant boost for prosecutors heading into trial this summer as they seek to try Kohberger for the murders of college students Ethan Chapin, Xana Kernodle, Kaylee Gonsalves, and Madison Mogen. The judge also throwing cold water on the defense team's claim that law enforcement misrepresented the account of a surviving roommate, finding her statements to police remarkably consistent, but if not, then fodder for cross-examination.